Hello everyone. So last class we discussed about the how to write equilibrium expression for the Kp and Kc with example we discuss. So coming to the topic today I am going to explain about the topic relationship between the Kp and Kc. So when will be the Kp is equal to Kc, when will be the Kp is greater than the Kc, when will be the Kp is less than the Kc, I will explain in this video. So watch till the end. So here how to derive. So we know that Kp is equal, so generally relationship between Kp and Kc is equal, Kp and Kc is RT delta Ng. So this is the relations we have to derive, this relation we have to derive. See here, for this I am considering the one reaction, so I am considering N2 plus 3H2 gaseous state gives rise to 2NH3 gaseous state. For this reaction we have to write the Kc and Kp expression we have to write. Last video I will express how to write the Kc. So Kc you how to write the ratio of the product by ratio upon the ratio of the reactant. So here NH3 its active mass mole will become raised to power. So here H2 N2 H2 its mole constant that is become raised to power, so 3. So I know that Kc is equal N by V, I can take it as a concentration, capital C I will take. So just I will add this concentration I will add here. So here it will write C concentration NH3, we are expressing in the concentration, that's why I will take C. C concentration nitrogen concentration H2 power 3. See here, for this expression write the Kp. How can you write the Kp? Just write this equation, keep the P you can keep, that is only the partial pressure expression. So here P NH3, partial pressure NH3 is power 2, so partial pressure N2, partial pressure H2. If you understand the concept, you can write anything also, H2. Okay, this is okay. I know that Pv is equal to nRT. So P is equal to N by V RT. N by V RT in the sense C. So P is equal to CRT. So in place of the partial pressure P, substitute the CRT. So P is equal to C concentration NH3 RT whole square. So concentration N2 RT concentration H2 RT by 3 power 3. So here just take the RT as a common, so Kp is equal NH3 concentration NH3 by square is equal to concentration N2 concentration H2 cube into RT. See here, same expression we got here we are writing. So for this one, just in this expression substitute the Kc you can substitute. So nothing but Kp is equal Kc RT, some here the some powers will be there, no, that is RT. That is all we are writing, delta Ng we are writing. What is mean by delta Ng? Number of moles of the product minus number of moles of the reactant. For these reactions you can apply. So number of moles of the product how many? 2. Number of the moles of the reactant how many? Reactant 3 minus 1. So 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. For this reaction you can write Kp is equal Kc RT delta Ng. This is the equation. So okay, equation we have done. So when will be the Kp is equal to Kc? When will be the Kp is greater than the Kc? When will be Kp less than the Kc? By taking the some equations we will discuss. Now we will discuss. See here, delta Ng we are written now. So delta Ng is nothing but number of moles of the product minus number of moles of reactant we will get the sum number we will get. See for example, when delta N is equal to 0, when delta n is greater than 0, when delta n is less than the 0. So when delta n is equal to 0, no, nothing but Kp is equal Kc. There is no problem. There is no problem here. So when delta n is greater, in the sense what? Kp is greater than the Kc. This time delta n is equal positive. So Kp is less than the Kc. Kc is greater. This means delta n is equal negative. So when will it will be there? By taking the some example, I will explain right now. I will explain. See, for example, you can see H2 plus I2 gives rise to 2Hi. See here, delta Ng we have to calculate, delta Ng. Nothing but delta N, number of the moles of the product minus number of moles of the reactant we have to calculate. So how many number of moles of the product? 2. Number of moles of the reactant, how many? 2. Nothing but delta N is equal 0. Nothing but Kp is equal Kc. There is no change in the volume. That means product volume and reactant volume is equal. That time only delta N is equal to neutral, delta N is equal to 0, Kp is equal Kc. So next one you can see 2NH3 ammonia is dissociated into N2 plus 3H2. So for this reaction also we have to calculate. So delta Ng is equal number of moles of the product, how many? 3 plus 1, 4 minus number of moles of the reactant, how many? 2. So what is the so how much you will get? Delta N is equal 2. So delta N is equal to, in the sense what? Kp is greater than the Kc. That means delta N is greater than 0. So this time what will happen? Product volume is increased. This time product volume is increased. Okay. So by taking the another reactions, we will see 2SO2 gas state plus O2 gas state only we are taking. So now we will write the 2SO3 gas state. We will write. So delta Ng value means how? Number of moles of the product, how many? 2. Number of moles of the reactant, how many? 3. So minus 1. So delta N is equal to minus 1. That is what? Delta N is greater than the 0. So that time what will happen? Kp less Kc is greater. Kp is less than the Kc. So now what will happen? Delta N is negative in this case. That means what? Product volume is decreases. Product volume is decreasing here. Reactant volume is more we are doing. So here, okay, by taking the some previous IIT questions, we will, by taking 2 questions we will take. See here, one question is there here. SO2 plus of O2 gas state only. SO2 plus of O2 combined to form 2SO3 gas state. Okay, this is okay. For this reaction, there relation Kp is equal Kc RT delta X. They are asked about the what is delta X. Nothing but what? Number of moles of the product minus number of moles of the reactant is only called as a delta X. So here delta X, if we want to find out, first we have to take the number of moles of the reactant minus number of moles of the product you have to take. So number of moles of the product, how many? Only 1. Number of moles of the reactant, how many? See here, this is 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2. That means 1 plus 1 by 2. So we can write 1 into 1 by 2. You can write this is, you can write 1 by 1 minus 3 by 2. You can write 1 by 3 by 2. You can write. See here, 1 by 3 by 2 means what? 2 minus 3 by 2 is equal 1 by 2. Is equal 1 by 2. So what is the delta X value? 1 by 2 is the delta X value. Okay, it is done. So next equation, next question. Very important questions. You can see some reference books also. This question also you can see. So at temperature 527 degree Celsius temperature, 527 degree Celsius temperature, they have given the some reaction they have given. So this reactions is equal NH3 at the gas state. NH3 at the gas state, it dissociated into of N2 plus 3 by 2 H2, 3 by 2 H2. For this reactions Kc they are calculated the 4. They have given the Kc 4 they have given. So now they have given the another equation they have given N2 plus H2. For this reaction N2 plus H2, 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. If you observe, they are making the irreversible only. So for this reaction they are asking the calculate the Kp. They are asking the Kp, they are asking. For this reactions Kp they are asking. So how to calculate the Kp for the reactions at the temperature 527? We know the some relation Kp is equal to Kc RT delta Ng we have to. So first we have to understand here. See here, just reverse of the this reactions is there. For that only I am again, this is the Kc is equal to 4. Just I am reversing this equation. I am calculating the Kc value for the reversible reaction. For this reaction I am calculating. So here if you see if you see this here of N2, just I am writing the reverse of the reaction of N2 plus 3 by 2 H2 gives rise to NH3. So what is this reaction? Kc not 1. So how much? 1 by 4. Kc is equal to 4 in the sense Kc reverse reaction Kc 1 by 4. Okay. For this reactions what I am doing? Just I am multiplying with the 2. I am doing the multiplication. Nothing not I am doing. Just multiplication with the 2. Whenever I am doing the multiplication with the 2, what I will get? N2 plus 3H2 2NH3. Nothing I have done, just they have given the reactions. So I want to convert it into this form. I want to convert. First of all I have to just I will take the reverse of the reactions. That means Kc I will take 1 by 4 reverse. I will get the Kc I will get. For that time I just made this equation equal to this equation. So now what I have done, just I made the multiplication of the Kc. I divided the multiplication. I multiplied. So nothing but 1 by 4 2. For this reaction Kc how much? 1 by 4 2. I got it, the 1 by 4 we got it. Just nothing we have done. Just this is the reaction Kc4. For this reaction Kp how much? Directly we cannot calculate the Kp. We cannot calculate. For this reaction we have to calculate the Kc. We have to calculate for this reaction first. That way I made just reverse this reaction and again I multiplied. Whenever I am doing the multiply with 2, it is equal to the this reaction. That means multiplication. So now you can write Kp is equal Kc RT delta Ng, number of moles of the product. We are getting delta N. So here you can see Kp is equal to Kc how much? 1 by 4. Kc is how much? 1 by 4 whole square. That's why I am writing 1 by 4 square I am writing. So here into RT, same as substituted. So delta Ng means number of moles of the product minus number of moles of the reactant. So number of moles of the product how many? 2. Here 2. This is 3 plus 1 4. So 2 minus 4 I have written. So for this reactions Kp you can write. For this reactions Kp you can write 1 by 4 square into RT minus 2 you got. RT minus 1. So temperature how much? 527. 527 plus 273 how much? 800. So for these reactions you can write Kp is equal 1 by 4 square into R 800 minus 2. 800 minus 2 we can write. For if I want to do the simplification, what will happen? Kp is equal 1 by 4 square into R 800. Negative become positive is there. So this is the sum of the expression. So next video I will explain about the how to write the what are the conditions, what are the characteristics for the equilibrium Kp and Kc I will write. So thank you for watching my video.